Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a must-have accessory for Nintendo Switch owners, the TPC 60W charger for Nintendo Switch 2. Whether you have a Switch 1, Lite, OLED, or even a Steam Deck, this charger promises to keep your gaming uninterrupted with fast, reliable power. Let's start with charging performance. This TPC charger features PD 3.0 fast charging technology, delivering a robust 60 watts of power. That means whether you're in handheld mode or docked on your TV, your console gets charged quickly, so you can keep playing without waiting around. It's specifically designed to support 4K TV mode, making it easy to connect your Switch to the TV dock and enjoy a full home console experience without compromising on power delivery. Durability is another area where this charger shines. It comes with a 6.6-foot braided USB-C cable, built to withstand over 5,000 bends. This makes it much more durable than standard cables, and the reinforced wiring ensures stable power delivery, so you won't experience drops or interruptions while charging. This makes it perfect not just for your Switch, but for any Type-C device that needs reliable power. Safety is paramount, and the TPC charger doesn't disappoint. It's equipped with a 5-layer protection system, including safeguards against overcharging, overheating, overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits. Certified to meet international safety standards, it gives peace of mind while you game, knowing your device is protected from electrical mishaps. Versatility is another key feature. While it's optimized for the Nintendo Switch family and the Steam Deck, it also works with other USB-C devices. From tablets to other handheld gaming consoles, this charger can handle them all. Its compact design and long cable make it convenient for home use or travel, ensuring you have fast charging wherever you go. Finally, let's talk design. The charger is visually striking with its cyan and red color scheme. It's lightweight, easy to pack, and paired with a high-quality cable, it blends style with functionality. The TPC 60W charger isn't just a charging solution. It's a reliable companion for gamers who value speed, safety, and durability. That's a wrap on the TPC 60W charger for Nintendo Switch 2. Fast, durable, safe, and universally compatible, it's a product that truly elevates the gaming experience. If you're tired of slow charging or unreliable adapters, this is one you'll want to consider. Make sure to check it out and give your Switch the power it deserves. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more detailed reviews of the latest gaming accessories.